Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to use this template. So the first node is here where you need to connect your Facebook page. Once you'll click on here, you'll get this option, just connect your Facebook page. Once you have connected, you will see the page ID here. Just make sure to confirm and then make sure to click on this run button. Otherwise, it will not fetch the further details into the subsequent nodes. Once that is done, come here. These are basically the filter criterias. So you can give it a name here, whatever page you have connected. For an example, here we have given meta lead form 1, but you can write your own name, and then whatever number you see, just simply copy and paste it here. Do not attach any prefix or suffix. Make sure there is no uh, trailing space after the number, otherwise it will not fetch the details. And then make sure to save it. Do it for all the forms that you are doing. Once that is done, you can go to this one. This node basically get the get the leads from the page that we have just connected, and it will also filter because you have connected multiple forms. So it will make sure to trigger from this point once it meets the condition of this filtered rule. So if this is the lead is from this id, this lead this form id, then only the subsequent nodes will activate for this, right? So when you are here, you will see this page id and form id and everything here. Just once you have connected, you might need to connect it again here also, because it will not get automatically connected once you have connected here, right? So, and then you can also change this name to make it easily identifiable for yourself. And again, make sure to click on the run button. Once that is done, what you need to do is you just need to create the field to get the field mapping data from this node. So you've already connected your page, you've already connected your lead form. Now what are the questions, what are the fields that you have asked in that lead form, that will be collected from here. So here you can use the AI chat feature to make it very super convenient for you. What you have to do is you just need to write create full and then copy from here, right? You can easily type it as well, but then copy and paste it here. There needs to be a space, and then create write for, and then just copy this one, right? This node number is for this one. You see this number 6 here. If you will click on this, you'll see number 4. If you will click on this number this node, you will see number 10. And then let's paste it and then hit on the run button. And because we have not connected the previous nodes, so it is creating a sample data. Once you will find this kind of thing, if you have asked that, what is your preference, then it will appear here, and then you will have the field mapping data here. So once it is done, just click on copy and paste it here, and make sure to save and run. Don't make any changes. If you'll scroll down, you'll see some programming. Don't some kind of a code. Don't make any changes to that, because this will do your job, this will do the work. Why we are getting an error? Because there is nothing has been connected on the previous nodes. You will not get this error. Once that is done, you just come here to your Odoo database, your Odoo instance. So you need to authenticate, you need to connect your Odoo instance here, and then you will have all the option here. So the first option you'll get it, where do you want to create this new lead? Do you want to create it into a lead section, or do you want to create it into an opportunities? Opportunities is something where you see that Kanban view into your Odoo CRM database, and leads is simply a list of leads, right? So, and then you will have to map each and every data. We have given here a very brief help document. So make sure that this is what I just mentioned, that you can create a lead or you can create an opportunity. And if you have asked any custom questions into your meta lead form, map them with the notes field in Odoo. So once you have connected here, you just scroll down and you will see a field called notes. You just make sure to map all custom data, custom fields, custom questions into that, and to give it a to give it a break, you just need to, you can give it a some sort of a syntax. What syntax you'll have to give, we'll write in the description section of this template, right? If you have multiple question, insert. So here you somehow the word is missing here, but we will include that, right? So whenever and wherever you read the word ID in this in Odoo, the field name in Odoo, it is always a numerical value. So make sure that you don't map any of the fields that you are getting from here, because then you will have to go to, here is a help doc. So you just click on this, it will take you to Google, and it will give you some sort of a guide that how to find the ID for a particular field. For an example, if you want the lead from the form 1 to be automatically mapped with a particular salesperson and the sales team, then you will have to find the numerical value for that specific salesperson and specific sales team. So you follow this and you will be able to find it. Make sure that you do this if you want to automatically, assign or link this lead with many other fields. It may be the medium of the campaign, it may be the source ID of the campaign, it may be the campaign ID. You might need to map some other data into your Odoo CRM. That all would be possible only by manually giving them an input. It cannot be dynamic as of now, right? So from this, at least from this template, it cannot be dynamic, right? So make sure to create a test leads and check if the data is mapped accurately with the fields or not. Do not deploy without thoroughly testing this, right? You need to test it again and again and again, because you are connecting multiple forms. So you need to make sure that the leads are fetched the way you have expected it to be there in your Odoo CRM. So how can you create the test lead? So this is the link. Once you have logged into your Facebook with proper admin rights, you will be able to see this. And here is a public document which is a guide on how to use the testing feature for the respective leads, right? So this is the very brief guide, and we hope that you should be able to deploy this scenario without any problem. If you need any help, please reach out to us.